Hey guys, how's it going? Kelby here. Yeah, up at Omeo this weekend. Staying at my sister's boyfriend's family's house. Oh geez, look at that bloody cocky sprout. Jesus. Anyway, yeah, this morning went out and fed the cows with them. So it was pretty good fun, and now we're about to head up to the snow. Yeah, it's pretty overcast all today. Probably going to rain a bit, so there should be a bit of snow up at Hoffman, but that should be a good day. Yeah, boy.
What's this, Dad?
Oi, rascals, we're ready to go.
What's that?
We're going to the snow. Come on, we're going.
Yeah!
Woo! We're going.
Ah!
Yeah, boy.